How to update your eBay app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to update your eBay app for Android and iOS also. So all what you have to do first, this is my eBay as you can see. Now let's say that my eBay app is older and I need to update it so I can get new options and features. All what you have to do to update it is by going out the app and go to Play Store. Go to Play Store and search for eBay and click on it. And now right here on this green option you will find update. Click on it and your eBay will be updated fast and easy. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.